going on, guys? Vik-Werks checking in. Another video for the Mark V R32. So you guys wondering how this Vibra-Technics puck sits here. Pretty much you got to make sure you align the holes. I put some blue Loctite, and then this is the VWR bar. They don't make it anymore, so I got lucky to have that. And this is how that Okuyama bar sits. One of the things to note, obviously, on the top view, on the top part of that, you're going to line that nook, like pretty much that crevice right around there. And then slowly, surely use a rubber mallet. Don't use a tool, even though I bought it. It's pointless to kind of get it going. And I got it all aligned, and it should be ready to go back in the car. And you know, there's your HID sensor for the leveling, and then obviously the 10 mil sits on top. And these are the ECS collar kits, but that's pretty much the project right there and how that sits. Now, if you guys were wondering how these bars in the rear sit, there it is. There's your situation. And then if you got to use a jack, I suggest you get one of those ones with a piece of wood in there and go from there. Obviously, you know, you could tell that whoever, these guys that had my car in the body shop, they're just notorious of just causing damage. It's horrendous, man. No attention to detail, man. It's just frustrating. So, you know, I literally spend money on quality parts, and then I'm having to refix stuff because it just doesn't sit right with me. And obviously, here's the bolts. I did put some blue Loctite, even though you can't see them. And so, yeah, we'll get the springs in. And then finally, the Olins will be sitting perfectly as should be, standard. So yeah, guys, I didn't even take the skid plate off. You know, I was able to take that and go from there. Still some collar kits here and there. Success, but we'll see what's up. All right, guys, thanks for checking in. And as always, comment below, subscribe, share it with your buddies. I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, bye.